Our 21st century is definitely a changing world, and parenting has to be intentional. Now, when it comes to raising godly children, it takes careful consideration, especially as it will not just happen. Spiritual parenting is about your role as a spiritually minded parent, the God-given role that is yours alone. Children should be taught to be confident in themselves. Every child is unique and should be taught so. They are all different with inherent values, talents, and skills. Avoid comparisons between children and harsh criticism, thereby teaching them that God loves them, and so you. Teach them to value others. As they come to realize that they are unique, they should also learn to respect and value others irrespective of their status in life. Let them know that they are privileged. Additionally, teach them that with those privileges come responsibility and the need to be respectful. Teach them that they are called to lead and not to follow. Teach them that it is okay to say no and to be different. They should be trained to be confident with leadership. They should stand for what they believe in. As parents, we should ensure that what they believe in mirrors the principles of honesty and integrity. Teach them that true leaders also serve people. Set boundaries very early in their lives. Children's liberty should be increased on the basis of their sense of responsibility. Appropriate rewards for exemplary responsibility will also encourage a child. A child who gets everything he or she wants will tend to grow up with a negative sense of entitlement. Teach them to have and set boundaries. Setting up a strict bedtime routine is one such example that needs to be followed without fail. They should be taught to trust God who provides and pray for their needs. Discipline. Try not to discipline in anger. Also, do not make empty threats. There should be a balanced approach to discipline. For instance, as a child grows older, parents should learn to communicate reason more and punish less. The punishment should be proportionate to the wrongdoing. Discipline should be consistent, and parents should not send conflicting signals. When done right, positive discipline should create intimacy and not distance. In such situations, the child knows to come back and apologize. Keep the lines of communication open. When talking to your children, don't be alarmed at whatever you hear. Don't be judgmental, keep an open mind. Stay calm and give practical answers as much as possible. Also, know their friends and families of their friends. When they feel comfortable talking to you, then you can point them in the right direction prayerfully. Build a safe village around them. It takes a village to raise a child. Teach them how to avoid inappropriate touches from anyone and to speak up if it ever happens. Let them know that their bodies are theirs and that their body is a temple of God. Model what you want them to learn. Don't be different from what you are trying to teach them. This is because children tend to mirror what they see, rather than listen to what you tell them. So it is important for parents to walk their talk. To truly raise godly children, you must exhibit the right values. Most importantly, let them see you pray, and learn what love is from how you treat people.